might say that I'm a loner, but I just call it being free.
Hey guys, what's up? Good morning. It is Wednesday. It feels like Tuesday though because I didn't work Monday. So anyway, I am recovering from being sick. Greg got me really sick. So Friday night, Thursday night going into Friday, Valentine's Day, Greg and I ended up in the hospital. Well, he ended up in the hospital. He had some kind of, they did all kinds of tests. They said he didn't have the flu. They said that he didn't have the flu. They really had no idea what was going on with him. But they were like, here's some medicine. Have fun at it. There's nothing wrong with you. And then I got sick. I mean, it got to the point where Greg had trouble getting out of bed on Thursday night. So I have no clue. We're trying to recover. I'm feeling a little bit better. I do feel a little stuffy though. But I am drinking Powerade, trying to feel a little bit better. Get some electrolytes in. So I have this, and I'm just gonna try to take it as easy as I can. Although I think I'm going for a walk at lunchtime. So that'll be fun. But, you know, whatever. But I had a good day yesterday. I felt accomplished. Trying to go in today and hope that everything just keeps flowing nicely. But alright, let me go inside and get this day started because it'll take me a minute to get upstairs because I'm still dealing with this stuff. Hey guys, what's up? It is the end of my day. I'm getting ready to head home. I brushed my hair out this morning. Well, I brushed the curls out is what I mean to say, but it's still funky because I felt like my hair was thin. Then I brush it and I'm like, oh my god, I have a lot of hair. Okay, anyway, I think Greg's taking me out for dinner tonight, so we'll see what's going on. Starting to feel a little bit better. I'm still taking medicine. I've got medicine to take for 10 days. So I'm working on that. And I had a productive day at work. Very busy. A little stressful, but it's cool. It's the end of the day. It's all good. Nothing bad because I got vacation coming up soon. But alright, let's go. Alright, so I made it home. Greg and I are heading out for some chicken and dumplings. Then we're gonna come home and we're gonna watch the Democratic debate.
The three-ring circus.
We're gonna watch the Democratic debates because it's gonna be amazing. So, yay. And we might pop on and check out some of the Trump rally tonight too. Who knows? Because this day and age, you never know what's gonna be said by who. They all want attention and they're doing it the wrong way.
This way if we don't start.
We have arrived.
I'm not allowed to. Yeah,
well, didn't they know that basically anything you said went? Greg has his little grow operation going on over here. We've got tomatoes. If you know anything about tomato plants, you can tell those are tomatoes. We've got...
Last year, that one was like almost 10 feet tall.
Yeah. So that's what we've got going on. Whoop whoop. I think we'll start planting next month outside.
Look how fast they're going.
Hey guys, what's up? Good morning. It is Saturday. Greg and I went out today. He's picking up a bike from the Facebook Marketplace. So we are in Leesburg, Virginia right now. So that's what we're doing right now. I'm studying and kind of working on the playing cards and expanding the definitions a little bit. So that's what we're doing. Hey guys, what's up? Good morning. It is Sunday, right babe?
Yeah.
We're going for a ride. We want to take the Jeep out to put some miles on it to see if it's going to leak again. Right now we're at 2,004 miles on this Jeep, and it's been in the shop for like almost 2 months total. Most of December, more than half of December, and a good portion of January. So we're gonna kind of see. So far, everything's been okay. I got it back just over 2 weeks ago, and everything is cool. But we figured we'd take a ride out to Gettysburg because Greg got himself a bicycle yesterday, and I'm gonna get a bicycle. And this spring/summer, we're going to bike around Gettysburg, and that's gonna be so much fun. So we're like, let's go to Gettysburg and kind of check it out, so we kind of have an idea of where we'll be going and all that kind of stuff. And what else do we have going on? Oh, and then today we've got to clean the yard, pick up sticks from the yard that's been out there. God, we had that tornado. I was out there picking up sticks like in November too, that are like under the trees. So we've got to work on that. And then we're gonna cook. And I'm finally starting to feel better. Greg and I got something kind of like the flu. It might have been the flu, or it might have been the coronavirus. We don't even know, but we're still alive, and we're still here, so I guess that's good. We're still fighting it.
All them tests, they told me it's nothing.
Yeah, they told Greg.
Take an antibiotic for 10 days just in case.
They told him it was nothing, and I'm like, he couldn't even get up out of bed. So Valentine's Day, you wanna know what Greg got me? Greg got me sick. So all last weekend, it was an extended weekend.
And some Kit Kats.
Oh, and he did give me Kit Kats, yes. And a cute little bear, but I didn't get the bear out of my Kit Kat mug yet because I was afraid that I would give it germs and then I would kill my bear. So I gotta do that. Anyway, so we've got that, and then I'm gonna get back on to the proper eating and all that stuff. I was doing so good. Greg and I were doing really good, and then we both got very sick. And then it was like, okay, we're just gonna like go with whatever our body is saying or craving. But now it's time to get back on it. So we're gonna cook today. I'll be all set, and then I have vacation coming up pretty soon. So I'm excited. And I feel like I'm in spring cleaning mode. I'm ready to start getting the garden together and all that stuff. All right, anyway, I'm rambling way too much. We're gonna drive to Gettysburg. Let's go.
The color of flowers in springtime, red the color of blood through my veins, blue is the color of when you were leaving. Tell me, let me know what you feel inside. 'Cause you don't know me by name. You don't know me by name. It's like you don't know me by name anymore.
So Greg and I just stopped at Taco Bell for some lunch because it's getting late and we need to eat before we start to head home and get on with our day. So that's what we be doing. So we got this is spicy. And the spicy tostada. And then we have a bean burrito with Fritos in it that Greg and I are sharing. And nachos.
Look, he loves me.
Oh, he wants me. I know he does. Okay, so Greg and I went to the pet store and I want 4 puppies. Right, babe? Only 4. It's not a big deal. We have a big house. It's cool. But as you can see, we're no longer there because Greg said no to the puppies. So we're at Sam's Club right now, looking for some buffalo stuff they're supposed to have that they don't have. So that was a fail. I don't think Greg would get this because it's got shrimp in it, but it does look really good. Look at that lime, cilantro, what? Garlic chicken. Oh snap, we found them.
They're heavy.
Buffalo style chicken. We'll give it a go. We're gonna try it. at it again. Oh, it's dying.
Something's making that noise. I don't know what that is.
That was 45, 50 seconds of it doing that, and then it stops, and then it comes back and does it again.
Yep. There's nothing on in here that's doing it.
I want to see how long between, so I've got it still recording.
I'm gonna turn it off and start it again. Was that one just a minute ago?
So I got back from Ulta a little bit ago and I bought some additional Curlsmith products. I got this in-shower styler fixer and Hold Me Softly Style Balm, and I'm hoping these will both be really good.